That stock is skyrocketing higher in the OT. Steve Kovac, he's our man of the hour. He's here with more. What's going on
That's
here?
right, Scott. You cannot get rid of me. GameStop, they're doing a stock split through a dividend. This is kind of similar to what we saw with Tesla the other day when they did their 5-to-1 stock split. So they're going from 300 million shares to 1 billion shares. It will be through a dividend and will need shareholder approval. That's the news, sending shares up. Looks like 11.5% right now. Scott.
Yeah, let me ask you this. Ryan Cohen, obviously chairman of the board. Who knows if this is orchestrated by Mr. Cohen, but certainly you have to believe it has the seal of approval, at very least, of him. And by the way, I mean, he pledged his support, or if not double down, or whatever you want to characterize it as recently. He bought 100,000 shares in GameStop something like a week ago.
Yeah, he's been picking them up. And then also we know GameStop's been on a new tear with this whole new resurgence in meme stocks between this and AMC. We're seeing it again. It feels like early 2020 all over again. So, yeah, this split is sending shares higher just a couple days after they approved this split.
Yeah, I always find this so interesting is that, someone would come on and suggest, well, it doesn't change the fundamentals of the company. The pizza pie, so to speak, is still the same, even though you do a stock split. But when you already have a company that's in the public consciousness like this one has and tends to have outsized moves, unrelated to some of those other stock splits, I'm looking at it, look, the 52-week high here is $344 and change.
Right.
You got a bid ask right now of 196, 197. So it's still a long way from that point. But it is yet another move that some of those kind of investors, the retail investor who has played this name for the better part of the last couple of years, is going to potentially gravitate towards.
Yeah, that's right. And we know the stock doesn't trade on the fundamentals. It kind of trades on these hopes and dreams that they keep saying. I mean, the big next shoe to drop as far as things that the company plans to do and really move forward from their traditional business is this idea of an NFT marketplace that they're going to have where, game developers can kind of come in and sell NFTs and so forth, just like they sell physical collectibles now through GameStop. So we'll see how that affects the stock, too. But right now, it's the stock split moving it.